Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to know if someone has blocked you on PlayStation app or not. Now, if you want to know if someone has blocked you on PlayStation app or not, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to see if someone has blocked you, then you need to simply open the PlayStation app on a device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So after logging in on the PlayStation account, you need to search for their profile. So you'll see the search box at the top of the page. You need to enter the PSN username, and if you can't find their profile, then they must have blocked you or changed you in the privacy settings. Or the other thing which you can do to see if they have blocked you or not, then you may simply check your friend list. So to check the friend list, click on the profile icon, and from there you'll see the option of friends. So click on it, and if they were friends before and they have disappeared, then they have removed you as your friend or they have blocked you. Or the other thing which you can do is the check past messages. So if you may open the message app in the PlayStation app, and if your previous chat with the person you were talking has disappeared, then or you can't send them a message, then they must have blocked you. So these are the steps to know if someone has blocked you on PlayStation app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.